Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to freeze your credits with Experian. Let's get straight into the video. The first method is the online method, and how you want to do that is by going to the Experian website and logging into your accounts, and then just click on the freeze credit tab, and then you want to confirm your identity by answering security questions, and then just verify your personal and financial information, and then you can confirm that you want to freeze your credits. Now for the mobile phone method, what you want to do is to call Experience Credit Freeze Hotline. Right there on the screen, the numbers right there, and then just provide your personal and financial information to verify your identity, and then you can request that Experian freeze your credits. Now to do that by mail, what you want to do is to download the credit freeze form from the Experience website, and then just fill out the information with your personal and financial information, and then just attach the required documents. That could be a copy of your driver's license, or it could be your passport, and then just mail the form to Experian at the address provided. As I said before, these required documents include it could be your government issued identification card, that could be a driver's license, or it could be a passport. And you're also going to need to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. You're also going to need to provide your social security number. So you got to take note of all of these required documents. So for credit freeze fees, Experian may charge a fee to freeze your credits, which varies based on the state you're in. And there's also a thaw fee. So Experian may also charge a fee to thaw your credits. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.